everyone, it is Dani'i and welcome to this update video. I really do hope you're doing amazing this morning. So we're going to be talking about what is going on across the North Atlantic, and there is that frontal system which actually extends into the Caribbean and will be influencing the weather for some areas over the next couple of days. In addition, we can see all of that convection out there associated with an area of low pressure, a non-tropical area of low pressure. So all that action associated with it, all the rain, thunderstorms are offshore. And then in parts of northern South America, we can also see that there is some thunderstorm activity this morning. Now, as we zoom into the Caribbean here, we can see this area of some convection, thunderstorms, and even last night over parts of the Yucatan Peninsula, including, of course, sections of northern Belize, there was a lot of shower and thunderstorm activity. So with that frontal system ahead of that boundary, there is all that atmospheric instability which helped to influence that type of weather. And there is even that probability of some additional heavy rainfall and thunderstorms in sections of the northwestern Caribbean as we're going to be heading throughout today. Elsewhere, though, we can see these patches of clouds within the vicinity of Jamaica. Some areas are overcast, maybe experiencing some downpours this morning. And then towards sections of Puerto Rico, the Virgin Islands, even a few spots within the Lesser Antilles, probably experiencing a bit of cloud cover or showers. And then as we head through today, this is a look at the rainfall forecast. So within parts of the Bahamas, Cuba, Jamaica, even for the Cayman and Cayman Brac, there could be some shower activity for sure. Towards Central America, Belize, the Keys, near the Bay Islands, sections of Guatemala, northern Honduras, there could be some additional periods of substantial rainfall activity. Similar thing as we head to northern South America, especially for Colombia, Venezuela, and a couple spots in the Guianas as well. Towards the ABC Islands, much is not expected. For the Lesser Antilles, a few passing showers at the most today. Same story for Puerto Rico, the Virgin Islands, Hispaniola as well. For the Turks and Caicos Islands, though in the southernmost Bahamas, it's likely to be on the drier side as we progress throughout today. And then as I had mentioned, if you saw yesterday's updates video, there is a lot of color offshore indicating some pretty high rainfall totals associated with that area of low pressure. But as I mentioned, it is out at sea right now. So all that rainfall is not going to be impacting land areas. That is in direct association with it. Now, as we look at the surface chart here, there we can see that L to show the area of low pressure out there. And also, we see that diagonal blue line with those triangles representing that cold front. So as I said, that front extends into the Caribbean, but as time goes by, it is going to be gradually weakening, and other parts of the North Caribbean will likely experience some showers in association with whatever is going to be left of it as we progress into the next couple of days. But overall, there isn't a very major system right now. In terms of the heavy rainfall associated with the front, or even periods of heavy rainfall on a whole, especially for parts of Central America, such as Belize, for example. In an event such as this, there is always that probability of some level of inundation or some level of flooding with a lot of heavy rain in a short amount of time. So in case you encounter any floodwaters at all, please remember to stay safe as best as possible and do not take any unnecessary risks. But that's pretty much what I wanted to bring to your attention in this brief update video this morning. And I do hope you found it to be informative. But if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. I'll get to you when I can. And remember to always be weatherwise.